Welcome back. Pedne Swabiman Nagrik Samiti has come out in staunch support of Mopa Airport. They have opposed Fatorda MLA Vijay Sardesai's stand on Mopa. They have resolved to move to every panchayat in Pedne to gather support for Mopa Airport. They will be organizing a public meet on 6th April at Pedne. The Pedne Swabiman Nagrik Samiti held its primary meeting on Thursday. Under the leadership of Devendra Prabhudesai, the members of the Samiti have pressed for Mopa Airport. They say Mopa Airport will come up by hook or crook. They have also opposed the stand by Vijay Sardesai and other political leaders in South Goa. They claim they need development in North Goa. They will also have a public meet on 6th April at Pedne.
डिस्ट्रिक्ट हेवी बिल्डिंग मारली आमच्या उत्तरेन आलो ना आमकां विरोध ना गोंयानूच जाता दक्षिण गोवा म्हणजे गोंयचोच भाग फाल्यां दक्षिण गोंयासून आनीक एक प्रोजेक्ट दिलो बरो प्रोजेक्ट दिलो 5,000 लोकांक लागले नोकरेक आमचे एक दोग जाण सुद्दां उत्तरेन लागतले किंवा गोंयची प्रगती जातली ह्या विशयान आमी केन्नाच दक्षिण गोंयाचो दुस्वास असो केलो ना आनी करचेय ना.
Reporter Vinod Meter for Prudent. Jorge Bergoglio of Argentina has been elected Pope. He has become the first pontiff from the Americas and the first from outside Europe in more than a millennium. He chose the name Francis, associating himself with the humble 13th century Italian preacher who lived a life of poverty. Archbishop Philip Neri Ferrão expressed his joy for the election of a worthy successor.
Annuncio vobis gaudium magnum. Habemus Papam.
In choosing a 76-year-old pope, the cardinals clearly decided that they didn't need a vigorous young pope who would reign for decades, but rather a seasoned, popular and humble pastor who would draw followers to the faith. Earlier, surprising resignation of Pope Benedict XVI paved the way for conclave that brought the first Jesuit to papacy. Looking stunned, Francis shyly waved to the crowd of tens of thousands of people who gathered in St. Peter's Square for the announcement, marveling that the cardinals needed to look to find a bishop of Rome. First public remarks as pontiff. Brothers and sisters, good evening. You know that the work of the conclave is to give a bishop to Rome. It seems as if my brother cardinals went to find him from the end of the earth. Thank you for the welcome. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Developmental works in Fatorda have attracted controversy. BJP Fatorda Mandal claims that the developmental works in Fatorda were sanctioned by then MLA Damu Naik. They allege that sitting MLA of Fatorda Vijay Sardesai is claiming the credit by completing the works. Members of BJP Mandal in Fatorda had challenged Vijay to show his contribution and works in the constituency.
The main issue is the developmental activities जी जाता काम चालू आसा Fatorda constituency, especially tarring of road, blacktopping of road, that hot mixing of road, repair of roads. In fact, our ex-MLA Damu Naik has completed all the formalities during his last tenure when he was a MLA, BJP MLA. And during his tenure, because he has already completed 1 year, and it is not that easy so that he could complete all the procedures and could execute the work within 1 year only.
And local documentary evidence दाखोवपाचे नाल्यार पेपर आउट करपाचे तेणें कित केलें तें आतां ती कामां 2011 आन दामून केलोली काल तेणें रस्त्यार दामोर गायला फादर हाडून बेसोंक गेला आपण केलें म्हूण करून दाखोवपाक आतां हे पेपर तेजे टेंडर ऑर्डर आतां एको टेंडर काम केला जाल्यार टेंडर केन्ना काडलें आनी केन्ना ऑर्डर पास जालें आनी केन्ना फायनान्शियल अप्रुवल हे केलें तें तेणें दाखोवपाचें लोकांक.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.